In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of turning off security alerts on Facebook, ensuring a more tailored and secure experience for your account. Step 1. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your device to access your account settings. Step 2. Locate the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines, situated in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings to navigate to the Settings menu. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, scroll to the Security section and tap on Password and Security for further security settings. Step 5. Under the End-to-End Encryption section, locate and tap on Security Alerts to manage your account's security notifications. Step 6. Within the Security Alerts settings, you can customize your preferences and choose to turn off notifications for logins on a new device or key changes, providing you with more control over your account's security alerts. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your security alerts on Facebook and tailor your notification preferences to suit your needs, enhancing your overall online security experience.